Ready to turn your plain WordPress login screen into something custom, eye-catching, and uniquely branded. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to build a completely customized login page in WordPress using Elementor Pro. This means you can ditch the default, boring WordPress layout and give your users a seamless experience from the very first moment they log in. By the end, not only will you have a login page that looks fantastic, you'll also know how to direct users exactly where you want after they sign in. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to create a brand new page for your login screen. In your WordPress dashboard, head over to Pages and click Add New. Give this page a clear name like Login so you'll never get confused about what it's for. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Elementor Pro's Page Builder lets you visually design your login area without any code so you can see every change as you make it. Think of this step like setting up your canvas. It's where all the creative magic starts. Now, once you're in the Elementor editor, you'll want to add the actual login form. On the left, search for the login widget and simply drag it into your blank page. This widget is the star of the show, handling the sign-in process for your users. If you've ever tried adjusting the default WordPress login, you know it's pretty limited. Here, you're in full control. Take a second to drop it right where you want on the page layout. If your site has a particular brand style, think colors, fonts, logo, this is where you really start to make your login page yours. Now with the login widget set up here, where Elementor Pro really shines design, you aren't just limited to a plain box anymore. Want a stunning video background for visual impact? Go for it. Maybe add some welcoming text beside the login section, or even columns with additional info or support links. Need to include your social media handles or a link to contact your team. Just drag in those elements from the Elementor panel. I like to think of this as building a lobby for a high-end hotel. You get to control every detail and make sure the vibe matches your brand. Before we finish, there's an important setting you don't want to miss: redirects. Click on your login widget, and in the settings panel, you'll see options for what should happen after a user logs in. By default, users usually land on their account page or the admin dashboard, but here you can pick exactly where they go. Maybe you want them welcomed on a custom dashboard or taken straight to a member's portal. Set your preferred page here. This small detail makes a huge difference for your users. It feels purposeful and smooth. Last, to make your new login page the default, you'll need to redirect everyone away from the classic /wp login PHP URL. This part sounds a little technical, but it's really straightforward. Install a plugin like LoginPress, or if you know what you're doing, a small custom code snippet in your theme's functions. PHP will do the trick. This ensures anyone trying to visit the old login page is automatically sent to your beautiful new custom page. Don't worry if it takes a minute to find the right setting. Plugins like LoginPress make this super beginner-friendly. And that's it. You now have a fully custom, branded login page in WordPress, designed by you with Elementor Pro and ready to give your users a great first impression. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any tricky parts or have questions about other advanced WordPress tricks. And if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.